welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you press that subscribe button, and if you are not, just continue on watching and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like this video and so I can do plenty more videos like this one. Anyways, guys, we are here today because I got this wig, and I got this wig off Amazon. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna show you the wig, but first I'm just gonna tell you what kind of wig it was. So anyways, the wig was called Kayla's Bob short hair wig for black women, and it says that it's heat resistant and yaki synthetic hair for women, and the hair color is brown. Okay, I paid $18.99 for this wig, and again, I bought this wig off of Amazon. Right now I have this wig on my mannequin, and this is what she looks like. I have worn this wig so many times already, so that's why I'm ready to give you guys my honest opinion and everything that I feel about this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna put her back down. Also, I named all of my wigs. So this wig in particular is Kiki. Yeah, this wig is Kiki. So her name is Kiki, guys, and she's amazing, but we'll get to that later. Anyways, I'm just gonna read a little bit about this product before I go ahead and try that wig on for you guys. It says the material is high quality brown color, heat resistant synthetic fibers, and it looks natural, and it is soft to the touch. It says as far as texture goes, it is a short straight bob design, natural and soft like human hair. Bangs design, most natural to look and feel realistic in color. And it says occasions, it could be used for daily use, for fun, theme parties, costume, cosplay, or any other occasion. Now, I'm gonna pick this wig back up and just show you guys the inside of this wig. So I'm gonna just flip it on the inside. It needs to be brushed a little bit. Like I said, I have worn it a few times, and I guess I'm not brushing it out correctly, or I just don't even have enough time to even do that. Anyways, this is the wig design. As you can see, the lace, and it comes with these scratchy little what do you call these things? Bra strap. I call these bra straps because that's what they look like. So yes, that's what it comes with. I'm gonna flip it back inside out, and I'm just gonna brush it back down. And I like to tell you guys, this wig requires nothing besides brushing it. I don't put anything on it. I don't cut it. I don't spray it. I don't do anything. So that's that. It doesn't come in with any combs or anything like that in this wig, which is not bad. But if it's really hot, you want to make sure you secure this wig in any way possible, because I'm pretty sure it's going to slide off. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and throw this wig on. And you see, all I did was put it on and brush it a little bit. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. As far as shedding goes, it doesn't shed at all. I've seen like maybe, if that, like a few strands, but I brush it a lot and it does not shed. Now if I can get it right so I can show you guys. Make sure you have it on there securely. And just keep all the longer hairs out of your face. I'm just going to check and make sure that it's on there. And guys, this is what this wig looks like. And as you can see, it is pretty. It is bomb. I have gotten so many compliments on this wig. Some girls even thought that it was actually a sew-in. Somebody thought that I cut my bang like blunt cut, and they was like asking me questions and stuff like that. And I was like, it's a wig. Thank you, but it's a wig. So yes, this wig is awesome. Takes 10 seconds, put it on, and bam, you just go and you look like royalty. Anyways, guys, I love this color. I love the low maintenance, and again, it only cost me $18.99. You cannot beat that. So if you want to buy this wig, make sure you go on Amazon and check and see if they have any left. If I can find a link, I'll make sure I link that down below. And guys, honestly, I give this wig a thumbs up. I give it, on a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a 10. It has been awesome. It has been my to-go-to wig, and I am so happy to have this wig. Anyways, I am not well, I have become a wig wearer, if that's what you want to call it, but this one right here just sets, like, it sets the mood right here. This one gives me good vibes all the time. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, anything, please make sure you post them below, and also give this video a thumbs up so I can know to do more videos like this in the future. And then, like always, guys, thanks for watching.